Baba Connect, I want to ask you one question. You know, say today, anybody where you see they cough, serious cough, and even catarrh, I beg, again, any simple remedy where if you give us?
Yes, so different remedy dey. So for this cough and catarrh, different type of cough dey. They get cough wey they call tuberculosis, TB cough, e dey on its own. But general cough dey. To solve that general cough problem, na just bitter kola and tom. Now you go use to handle this problem.
Okay.
So if you want to know more, you can contact me. I will show you how to use them.
Okay. Thank you, Baba Connect. Now only those two materials we need, Abi?
Now those two materials I will need for that cough.
Thank you, Baba Connect. We will contact you for more information.
Thank you.